Installing new windows in your home is a significant investment, and while it may seem like a straightforward task, there are common mistakes that homeowners often make during the installation process. These mistakes can lead to issues like poor energy efficiency, water leakage, or even unnecessary costs for repairs. If you're planning to install windows in your Bethesda home, it's essential to be aware of these potential pitfalls to ensure the job is done right the first time. Choosing the wrong window style. One of the first mistakes homeowners often make is selecting the wrong window style for their home. Windows come in a wide variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and bay windows. Each style serves a different purpose and works better in certain environments. For instance, bay windows can enhance the curb appeal of a traditional Bethesda home, while casement windows are ideal for modern homes or spaces where ventilation is crucial. Before making a decision, consider the architectural style of your home and the purpose of the window in that space. Selecting a window that matches your home's aesthetic and functional needs can make a big difference in both appearance and energy efficiency. Skipping proper measurement. Accurate measurements are crucial to the success of any window installation. One of the most frequent mistakes made during window installation is incorrect measurements. If a window is too large or too small for the opening, it can lead to gaps, drafts, or improper sealing, all of which negatively affect the energy efficiency of your home. To avoid this, ensure that the measurements are taken correctly before ordering the windows. Double-check the height, width, and depth of the window opening to ensure an accurate fit. If you're unsure about how to take proper measurements, it's always a good idea to hire a professional window installer who can guarantee accuracy. Failing to consider energy efficiency. Bethesda experiences hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a key factor when selecting windows for your home. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not considering the energy-efficient features of windows. Poorly insulated windows can lead to drafts, increased energy bills, and discomfort inside your home. When shopping for windows, look for those with a good energy performance rating, such as low E glass, which helps to minimize heat transfer and UV exposure. Additionally, consider windows with an insulated frame and multiple panes of glass, as these features help to keep your home more comfortable year-round while lowering energy costs. Improper installation. Even the best windows can underperform if they're not installed properly. Improper installation can lead to issues like water leaks, poor insulation, and structural damage over time. Homeowners sometimes attempt DIY installations, thinking it's a cost-saving measure, but this can end up being a costly mistake. To avoid this problem, consider hiring a professional window installation team with experience in working with different types of windows. They will know the best practices for ensuring proper sealing, insulation, and long-term durability. A licensed and insured professional will also be able to address any local building codes or regulations specific to Bethesda, ensuring your installation complies with all safety standards. Ignoring local climate conditions. Bethesda's unique climate, with its humid summers and cold winters, requires specific considerations when choosing windows. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing windows based solely on aesthetics or price, without factoring in the local climate. For example, windows with a high solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, might be ideal for warmer climates, but in Bethesda, you may want to prioritize windows that reduce heat transfer and provide insulation against the cold winter air. Be sure to consult with a window expert who understands the specific needs of the Bethesda climate to choose windows that will perform well in the long term. Neglecting maintenance needs. Windows require periodic maintenance to ensure their longevity and functionality. However, many homeowners overlook the long-term care their windows will need once installed. Whether it's cleaning the glass, checking for drafts, or inspecting seals, regular maintenance is essential to avoid costly repairs. When installing new windows, be sure to ask about the recommended maintenance schedule. Some windows require more care than others, so understanding these needs up front can help you avoid future headaches and keep your windows performing at their best. Conclusion. Installing windows in your Bethesda home is an exciting project, but it's important to be mindful of the common mistakes that can occur during the process. By choosing the right window style, taking accurate measurements, prioritizing energy efficiency, opting for professional installation, and considering the local climate and maintenance needs, you can ensure that your windows will provide comfort, savings, and aesthetic appeal for years to come.